2019, Frigidaire, GE, and Kenmore ranges started using coil surface elements with limiter switches that cycle power off and on to lower the risk of fire. If the limiter switch fails, the service element won't heat. If your range has this type of element and isn't heating, you can test the limiter switch. Unplug the range to disconnect electrical power, or shut off the house circuit breakers for the range if the power cord is hard to reach. With the burner cooled to the touch, pull it out of the cooktop. Using a multimeter, measure the resistance through these element prongs. The meter should measure between 20 and 40 ohms if the element and its limiter switch are good. Replace the element if the meter measures infinite resistance. If the element wasn't the problem, then a broken infinite burner switch or bad wire could be keeping the element from heating. Watch our video to see how to diagnose those types of problems. In 2019, yeah. That's this year.